Hey everyone, and welcome to the Workiz Academy, where we'll be going over the different aspects of the product. In this video, we'll be going over the dispatcher side of Workiz. Dispatchers today are expected to deliver outstanding customer service. They're the voice of the business and responsible for making sure the right jobs get routed to the right techs. Let's start with how to get into your account. Once the owner sends you an email invite, you can join the Workiz Service Business account by clicking on the Join the Team button. Fill out your business account email address and choose a password. And now log in. Great, we're in. Just make sure that you're registering from the invite link so that you're not opening a new account. Now let's look at how to book a job. There are different ways through which you can add a job. You can do it from here, or from the schedule. On the schedule, you can also just select an available time slot. You can also do it from your Workiz inbox, like if a client sends you a message or an online booking request. Just open the message and click on Add Job. Another way you can add a job is if you get a call. Let's answer this call, for example. This client wants to book a job for Wednesday morning. So I'll click on Add a Job, and then add the necessary information. I'll select the date and time that the client requested and how long the job will take. Then I can choose to add a technician to the job now, or I can do it later when I'm ready. Then I'll go ahead and click Submit. The tech will be notified right away, and then again within 2 hours of the job, depending on how your company has it set up. Going back to the job itself, you can see that the job now has the status of submitted. When the tech arrives, he should switch the job to in progress, and then when he's done, he should select done. Your submitted job now has various options, like adding line items to the invoice, estimates, and payments. So now we have our job booked, but how do we manage the schedule? Let's say a client called me and requested that I change his time. All I have to do is drag it over to the new time, hit yes, and then I can call the client and inform him right from here. There we go. Using the phone itself on the app, it'll call my client directly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you grow your business with Workiz.